Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. Multitasking is bad for you. It could reduce your productivity by as much as 40%. Your conscious brain evolved to focus on one thing at a time. The prefrontal cortex of the brain is responsible for paying attention to a task. It coordinates with other brain areas to get your job done. When charged with one task, both the left and right side of the brain join forces. When faced with multitasking, the amount of brain bandwidth going towards one task is forced to split up to attempt the simultaneous task. When you are multitasking, you are not doing two things at once. You are actually rapidly switching back and forth between two and more tasks. This cognitive switching between tasks makes your brain work harder. That increased workload wears out your brain faster. Once your brain gets tired, you will lose your willpower to complete the task. Even if it isn't effective, multitasking can become addictive. When you complete a small task such as sending a mail while making an important presentation, you are hit with a surge of dopamine, which is the body's reward hormone. This sudden boost of dopamine encourages you to keep doing between small mini tasks that give you instant gratification. Switching between tasks also leads to more mistakes. Once you become used to multitasking, it will be more difficult for you to stay focused on one task. A study showed that when chronic multitaskers were asked to focus on one task, multitasking may also affect you outside of your workflow. Research shows that it slows down your decision making and critical thinking processes. If you multitask, you could also be hurting your social skills. One study shows that multitaskers have less brain density in the region that is responsible for empathy as well as cognitive and emotional control. Task switching involves multiple areas of your brain, while a switch in itself might only take a fraction of a second. The focus delusion can lead to a dramatic 40% of productivity loss. To avoid multitasking, try to focus on one task at a time and then do other. Complete one task, experience the dopamine surge and move on to other one. Unless of course you are one of the very rare people. Just 2.5% people are capable of multitasking effectively. These supertaskers are actually able to complete two tasks simultaneously without a decrease in their effectiveness. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.